Welcome to the Crypto Nest. So let's talk about Coinbase for a while. Okay, so we did see here price that it was kind of trying to react to this downtrend. I believe this was our first wave one. We did an A, a B, and a C. And yeah, so we finally managed to break this very long-term downtrend, very important. So you can see that if we zoom in a little bit, yeah, it's 4 hours time frame. We did the wave one. We did the retracement, bend on to the 0.618. And after that, we did have a very nice impulsive movement for the third wave. Would be more into large diagonal. We had the third wave. After that, I did the Fibonacci retracement of this third wave. We barely touched the minimum requirement for the wave 4, which was the 0.236 at $68.45. And after that, we went and we did what I thought was the fifth wave at the time. But then when I saw that price continued to skyrocket, then I said, well, that's pretty easy. It's making an extension of the fifth wave. So it means this is only the first movement of the fifth wave. So when it did the retrace, as you can see, once again, it retraced, bend on to the 0.5 fib retracement, and then continue to go higher. Is it a coincidence that the price for the third wave stopped at the extension of the yellow count at the 3.618? Maybe not. After that, I did the Fibonacci retracement of this third impulsive movement, and once again we reacted to the 0.382, and we even wicked down to the maximum a wave 4 should go to the 0.5, which was 83 cents 36. And after that we skyrocketed not to the 4.618, but we went a little bit higher than the 5.618 extension of the yellow count. And yeah, this ended, in my opinion, this fifth wave in red that completed the fifth wave in yellow, and all this movement, it's first wave in blue. So now what is doing now Coinbase? Well, is doing the corrective movement and is working on this wave 2 in blue. So I believe now we should see a price to go quite low. Now, usually the wave A tends to go near the 0.382 fib retracement of the first impulsive movement. That would bring us to about 88 cents 50. So let me maybe put it here. So starting from here, we should go somewhere near the 0.382. Maybe we bounce back a little bit and then go lower. Ideally, we want to go to the 0.618. That's ideally. It can go lower, as low as the 0.786. That would bring us back to the $61. Let's see now, 3, 4. Once again, if this really was indeed the fourth wave, a lot of time the wave C, it does go about the level of the fourth wave. So I'm going to put it here. Let's see how it goes. Wouldn't be impossible to go back to the $68. That would be, yeah, a scale in I would say approach. Once again, if you don't have any Coinbase and you want to get some, I strongly suggest that you do your own research and check on this technique where we put a pyramid, and then we put all the Fibonacci retracement starting from the 0.382, which would be your first minimal entry in percentage, and the more we go lower, the more you're going to increase your positions. If you believe in Bitcoin, on crypto, and you believe in that Coinbase is the future, because let's face it, the US is kind of restraining many crypto exchange. So I would say for a moment, yeah, only Coinbase, I would say for a moment that it's safe or less risky. Let's put it the other way around. Now, if I check the Fibonacci, the indicators, you can see that, yeah, the RSI is in decline. Now we're about 50. Momentum is negative momentum, so I wouldn't be surprised to see shortly a regain in level of price. As I said, I still believe that we're going to go a little bit lower, about $88. After that, we're going to see a relief and getting higher prices, maybe a little bit even higher. And after that, we're going to have this final leg C. And yeah, so I believe Coinbase, it can do quite well in the next following years, I would say. Let me see, what was his higher price here? Well, 368, you know, this is the peak. Well, for sure, this I'm not going to count it, but when he went out on the market, I think it was about 430. Now it's 95. So yeah, so it's very nice entry point if you ask me, if price properly make this three-wave down, because once again, this impulsive movement is not that impulsive, it's more a diagonal, so it's less reliable. So we really need to have this ABC corrective movement and see price reacting to this Fibonacci retracement and start to see price reversing and go higher, then to really prove yourself, I would say. Okay, so this is pretty much all for Coinbase. If you enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And then, yeah, I know I haven't been doing video for a while. We try to do maybe once per week. Honestly, I don't believe that we need to do a video every 2-3 days. I mean, if you are more a swing trader, I don't want to get you drunk with all my videos. So it's exhausting for me. And then after, honestly, yeah, if I make a video every day, you know, I lose interest, you lose interest. Let's enjoy our summer, right? Okay, so this is pretty much all. See you, bye.